Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Elegance N Grace box. It is actually a beauty box and it is priced at rupees 700 plus free shipping, and there is a lot of customization and personalization available, which I've discussed in the video. So today we have the April edition, the Glow to Radiate edition. And also at the end of the video, I've shared some May edition pre-booking gifts as well. You have to take a look at that and you will know why. So yeah, this is how I got the box. Let's open up and see what we have in the April Elegance N Grace, and let's see if it is worth it or not. So we have the Elegance N Grace box. This is the April edition, and the box is it's a simple box packaging, and inside that you have all the products, and on top of that you have the card that says Elegance N Grace. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Well, that's nice. So let's open up the box and see what we have inside. Even though the packaging is pretty simple, nowadays I see a lot of boxes like this. If everything is packed inside nicely, then I would appreciate that. Okay, so inside that we have all the products in this beautiful bag. This is very cute. This is also a choice actually. So this is pretty. So let's open up and see what we have inside. As for the bag, which is also a product, it's a simple bag, but it's not very flimsy. It's a kind of sturdy, and it's a single rack bag. And here you have a separate rack where you can probably keep your mobile and valuables, you know. So this is how it looks like. It's a small one. I will probably use it for maybe storing makeup or something. So I also like the Buddha design. So this is good, and this is my first product in the box. And inside that I have all the products bubble wrapped together, and they're very heavy also. So let's open up and start one by one. So before getting started with the actual product, let me show you all the pre-booking gifts and all that stuff that I received, which is very essential. So on a 6 months booking as well as a 3 months booking, you get different gifts. So this is what you will get, I think, with the 3 months gift. And what I received is from Cape of Good Soap, Bath Stories, Cotton Candy 50 ml shower gel and bubble bath. Now that is very, very cute, and I really like the color of this one. It's for 215 rupees and it smells amazing, and also very easy dispensing. So this is one gift. The second one, I think this is for 6 months booking. I will be writing that on screen. You can check that out. We received a face and body mist, relaxing mist by Fuchsia. It is the lavender variant, and it comes with a spray bottle as well. So it contains rose water, glycerin, witch hazel, aloe vera, lavender, vitamin E, etc. Now using it as face mist, if you have pores, then witch hazel acts as a good, pore minimizer. So using it as a face mist will definitely benefit. And also I like body mist, because summers are all about not perfumes and lightweight body mist. So that is good. Then I also received a Women's Day special gift, a solid perfume from Lavish, and it is French Kiss, and this is how it looks like. I dropped the packaging, a part of it, but that's okay. So it smells amazing. Yeah, I just sniffed it. It smells like jasmine or something. It smells so very good, and I really appreciate such a gift. I know this is not available anymore, but just want to show you that this is how the pre-booking gifts goes. And then I also received another gift. I think it's a sneak peek gift that I got. It is the new launch from mond'sub. It is their nose mask. They have nose and forehead mask. I think forehead is included in the April box, and nose mask is what you'll be getting as a pre-booking gift. And I also received a couple of hand sanitizers from O. We have already reviewed these in my channel. You have received 4 of them. So these are pretty much the gifts that you get with the box. Now we'll start with the actual box. So the new launch from mond'sub, the nose mask. This is the first product in the Elegance N Grace box April edition, and yeah, this is a newly manufactured product. So the forehead one will be like a sneak peek gift, and this was the main product. And so 2 of the new launches from mond'sub already. So this is my first one. The first product in the April box is from the brand Bath Sutra Handcrafted Skin Luxury. It is the Green Tea Twig Detox Cleansing Grains Plus Mask. So this is basically like a powdered mask cum scrub, and it has an expiry of around 1 year. It is priced at 250 rupees for 50 gram. Contains kaolin, dead sea, oatmeal powder, French green clay, activated charcoal, green tea twigs, tea tree, and basil. So I think this will be perfect for all skin types, especially oily skin. It has a powdered basin like fragrance. Yeah, that's what I feel. A very homemade kind of fragrance, which we may actually like, rather than a very cosmetic like fragrance. So I'll definitely be giving this a shot. I've tried the soaps before, which turned out to be very good. So this is the first product in the box. The second product that I have here is from the brand Magic Dust, and it is a hair nourishing cream. And so here they've written how to use. Apply the hair cream for 30 minutes and then rinse off. So it is like a pre-wash mask kind of thing. Deeply conditions, and it will maintain the hair moisture and also tangle free. So okay, I'm excited to try this. A lot of ingredients are also mentioned here. Shea butter, sunflower, cocoa butter, argan oil, jojoba. It also contains alcohol, so do a patch test if you are allergic to that. And it's a GMP certified manufacturing unit. So this is how the cream looks like. It has I really like the fragrance of this one. A very pleasant unisex fragrance and a good pre-wash mask. So I'll be definitely trying this one. And I don't think this product has been featured in boxes before. So this is one product. Then we have from Swan Ink. It is the Mirror on the Wall Serum. I already have this one serum and I gifted it to my sister. So I think she's using it. And now I got a replacement apparently. That's great. So it is priced at 400 rupees and it has an expiry of 1 year. Basically the serum contains vitamin E and it's like an all-rounder serum which you can use as a makeup primer or as a night treatment. It is not very oily. That is the best thing. It is not at all oily. It feels like applying water onto your, right now, on my hand. The fragrance is very good, a pleasant floral fragrance. So it contains infused with fresh hydrosols, lavender essential oil for a calming effect, jojoba and vitamin E. Wow, I really like the texture because when I gifted to my sister-in-law, I did not test it on me. I just gifted it because I had so many serums and I knew this was good. But right now I think it will suit my skin type as well and I'll definitely be using it. So this is the next product. So it feels like water only and it's colorless, which I definitely appreciate, and the fragrance is also very mild. So this is my next product, and a face and body mist is definitely a good addition for summers, especially when you don't want to use those heavy perfumes but you want to smell good as well. Then a mist is definitely good. So the next product that I have here is from the brand Humble Bee. Oh, this was also a pre-booking gift, if I remember. Not a pre-booking gift, but I think this is for all April edition, 1 month subscription or something, because I remember this being listed as a gift again. I'm really losing count of the number of gifts that I got in the box other than the products. So this is the Minty Mango Lip Balm and it is priced at $2.99. It contains petroleum jelly, peppermint essence, vitamin E. Weight is 8 grams. So that is again good. Again another gift. So this is how the lip balm looks like. It's a colorless lip balm. It has a very mild citrusy fragrance also, and mango kind of fragrance. So this was again a gift which is supposed to be in the box. So next product that I have here is a sample product and it is from the Nature's Co brand. It is a Limoncello face wash. You are getting 30 ml. It is a deluxe size sample and it's good. It balances the skin pH, removes dirt and oil. It gives skin a brighter complexion, leaving it luminous. I think I have used this before. I have received a full-size product and I think I've used it. It's a good one. It lathers very well and they say that it's specifically made for Elegance and Grace, this particular 30 ml product. So yeah, this is I think you won't be getting this in any other box in April probably. That's why they say it's specifically for this box. So the last product is from the brand Stereo Crafts. Now I have heard a lot about this brand. It is run by, I think, a college going girl. I forgot her name. They have very affordable lip scrubs and I was about to buy from them, and that is when I knew that Elegance and Grace has included it. So the variant that I received is Birthday Cake and it is priced at 70 rupees. It has an expiry of 1 year. So let's open up. This is how the scrub looks like. It smells like coconut burfi. I should not probably sniff it too much because I'm very hungry right now. So this is the texture of the lip scrub and I've heard pretty good reviews about this one. I think you have a choice for the variant to pick. I went with Birthday Cake because of that pink design on top of that. So this is again a full-size product and that's also there. And then we have something edible to eat in the box. So these are, I think, again, so this first we have is a patch. It's an iron patch for your dress, but I think this is again a special gift for April. So, but I very well know how I'm going to use this. This will become my photo prop. I was waiting to have a unicorn and I'm very happy that I got. And then you have something to eat as well. So there is something from Bonvita. Okay, and then there are some snacks, and these are from Moody's. We have already reviewed Moody's, if you remember. The Moody's snacks are very famous and they're very good. So there is something to eat as well. So this is pretty much everything in the April Elegance and Grace box. Now that is without any additional gifts and pre-booking and all. So along with the pre-booking gifts, so with a 3-month subscription I got this. Then there was the Holy special booking, so there was this gift, and the Women's Day special gift was there. And this is the reference gift. Like if somebody orders with your reference, then you will get an extra lip balm, and then the new launch mask. So that's pretty much everything in the April box along with the gifts and all. So even if you don't get these pre-booking gifts for April, you can definitely see what is coming in your way for the upcoming months. For May and all, you can definitely pre-book and you will be getting a lot of gifts. So keep watching, and after the video I'll show you what all pre-booking gifts are right now announced for the May edition as well. So for me, the April edition is the clear winner. You received many products. They're all good. There is face care, body care, and a lot of extra gifts, something to eat, the new launch masks, a cute bag which can be used as well, a hair cream. So definitely I liked all the products, including the gifts and everything. So that's my review about the Elegance and Grace box. Do let me know how you like the box. I would want to hear from you guys as well. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So here are some of the sneak peeks for the May edition pre-booking. You will get a package. If you are booking for May, June, July together, you will get a package which will contain 3 products. It will have a mask. I think this is the nose mask from mond'sub, a Vadi cuticle oil, and a nail paint, which will be like additional gifts other than the May products. And then there is a rose cleanser by a new brand, which will also be like a pre-sneak peek gift. That's it for now. You can check the page for more info. Thank you.